So the very first thing you do is just remove the shoelaces and get the actual boot ready for cleaning. When cleaning the actual boot itself, you're going to assess if the actual boot has been lightly, medium, or heavy used boot. Depending on that is depending how hard you're going to go on the actual cleaning. And once the cleaning is completely done, we're going to move into adding the leather preservative. The actual leather preservative is one of the last steps you're going to do. Make sure that the boot, one, is completely clean, and also it is completely dry. Once you add this onto the actual boot, it is going to sink into the leather. Make sure you apply a nice thick coat onto the actual boot itself. And when we come down to the drying, once everything is complete, depending on where you live, you might just let it sit overnight, and the actual stickiness part of the actual leather preservative is going to eventually just go away. Or if you live in a colder climate, somewhere like Alaska, you might want to put an actual blow dryer to it, or somewhere just cooler where the actual leather preservative won't sink in naturally into the actual leather. Once you do that, then it is complete. You're ready to put it all back together, put the shoelaces, and go on for another use. This will actually treat the actual leather. It'll make the leather last longer, and also provide some additional qualities that will have that waterproof boot last you a little longer.